Welcome back. My name is Teresa and I'm very much
hands. How are you?
I'm an awful garbage filthy mouth, so viewer discretion is advised. But if you're not into that or weird shit in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to X out the video here. No harm, no foul. But I'll remember our Tom fondly. Y'all, we have a BoxyCharm unboxing. And if you aren't familiar with what happened last month, I had an issue. The problem was I received a box that was from, how do you say, 2021? Oh God. Anyway, so I messaged BoxyCharm and BoxyCharm basically was like, it happens. Like they didn't offer any sort of refund or any sort of like coupon or free BoxyCharms, nothing. They said, it happens. Get over it. And I was like, okay, I don't know. I mean, they were nicer than that. Not really. No, they pretty much told me to get over it, that it is what it is. So much like every high school romance that always ends badly, I'm back for more. So they did guarantee me that this was actually going to be an April premium box. Is it going to be an April premium box? I don't know, but let's open this together and get disappointed. If you've never heard of BoxyCharm, first of all, you're living under a bridge, but I don't have like the normal box. I have the premium box, which the premium retails for $39.99. Of course, they pay tax, so it's probably like 40 something and change. And essentially what you're supposed to get is mostly full-size products, if I'm not mistaken. Boxy Premium retails for about $215. You get 6 products in your box. 2 of them are your choice. I don't remember what I picked. This should be fun for everyone. So if you are interested in ever getting this is not sponsored, by the way. They will never ever send me this box, and it's fine because I trash the shit out of it anyway. Everything you need to know will be listed in the description box. So let's open this baby up. Instead of the puke monster, we have this monster. Ooh, Natasha. Okay, so for this month, we have the Boxy Spring Revival box. And this looks like it's actually April. So that's always good. Let's start with this thing, which is the thing that I think I chose. Now it's kind of coming back to me. The Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo Cream Blush and Highlighter. Look at this baby. I thought I had this. I don't have this actually. Kind of excited about this. I do like these little Natasha Denona palettes. For the most part, I find them to be pretty good. So this is the Cupid Cheek Duo. This retails for $42. It's a perfect pairing of Natasha's iconic cheek formulas. The Cupid Cheek Duo features a lightweight hydrating cream blush and a luminous powder highlighter in 2 shades that flatter all skin tones. I always laugh at that because, yeah, no. Both formulas can be applied with the brush or fingertips, meaning it's all you need for that on-the-go glow. So this is a Boxy exclusive. Oh, it's a Boxy exclusive, huh? Does that mean it was, I don't think it was made specifically for BoxyCharm. I don't think that's what it means. I don't know. Someone educate me down below. I don't know. But that's the blush. I assure you the blush is on my hand. I don't know if you could see it. Let's try that one more time. I usually like this formula. Blush products are always nice. And then we have a little powder highlight, which I feel like is going to be a little bit too dark for me. Yeah, it's a little bit too dark for me, but we'll try to figure out how to make this work. It's not terrible. I think maybe if I apply it underneath the blush, that could potentially help it. Or, you know, maybe if I got a fucking tan, that would help too, but I'm not mad at this. Considering I don't really know its true origin, this isn't bad. I could fuck with this. So far, so good. The next thing is from Herbivore, and this is the Bocuccio Retinol Alternative Smoothing Serum. Can I tell you, I almost fucking bought this during the Sephora sale. I almost bought this, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna wait. I'm so excited. I don't remember if this was something that I picked, and if I did, kudos to me. But if I didn't, BoxyCharm, you know what? Maybe I judged you a little bit too quickly. Maybe we got off on the wrong foot. Maybe we can fuck every now and again. First of all, this product just sounds really, really fucking good. This retails for $54, and it's a naturally derived plant-based serum that smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and visibly fights signs of aging without synthetics or irritating effects. Gentle enough for most sensitive skin types, Bocuccio supports surface cell turnover with its retinoic effect. I love anything with Bocuccio oil in it. It's so fucking good. I think I definitely misspoke. There was a video, I can't remember what, but I think I said this is a form of retinol. It's actually not a form of retinol. It's a retinol alternative because I have tried retinol and I've broken out horribly from it. Oh yes, it's so cummy. I love it. And that's the reason why I've always steered clear from retinol, because it broke me out so horribly. But ever since finding BoxyCharm, which I hope I'm saying it correctly, it's been amazing. It definitely targets your fine lines and just makes your skin just look so plump and wonderful and beautiful. And this feels really good. Well, I actually have allergies today, so like my sense of smell is really just non-existent. So I don't smell anything. So let's say that's a good thing. So I'm so excited. I was gonna purchase this. Thank God I didn't. Yes. Okay, super excited about this one. The next thing is from Murad, and this is the Skin Smoothing Polish. Made with gentle buffing beads, this scrub gets rid of dead skin cells, rough patches, and build up in pores for a complexion that's smooth, soft, and radiant. It's ideal exfoliator for oily, combination, or acne-prone skin. So this retails for $39, and I think I'm just gonna pass this off to my best friend. I feel like he will definitely enjoy this. He's been recently trying this brand, and I don't think he tried this product out yet. So I'm gonna send him this. Normally I like to send him eye creams, and I think I do it purposely just to fuck with him. It started as an innocent mistake, but now I'm serious. So anyway, I hope he will definitely love this. Michael, I love you. Sorry, I'm a little bitch. Okay, so we love that. We have this product, which I've never heard of. This is from Mitchell and Peach, and this is the English Leaf Body Oil. Retails for $68. What the fuck? Okay. Blended with almond oil and vitamin E, this decadent body oil leaves skin soft and scented. Okay. Okay. All right. Listen, I'm a dry monster, okay? Any little oil can definitely help my ass. Oh, this feels dangerous. Okay, I'm gonna smell this. I'm gonna try to smell this anyway. It smells like, I mean, I really have to like inhale. Okay. It's not bad. It's not bad. It definitely smells familiar, but I don't know why. You know what I mean? Like, you ever get those like smells, you're like, I've been here before. And then you're like, no, I've never been to North Carolina. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's kind of one of those smells. You're like, my past life was here. That's what this is. This smells like my past life. And in my past life, I was a prostitute, so it kind of makes sense. Anyway, I'm excited to try this though. And this is a new brand to BoxyCharm, so all right, we can fuck with that. I'll let you know how this works out for me in the future. The next product is what the hell is this called? My Beauty Brand by me. My Beauty Brand. Oh, okay. I don't know why I felt like it was a little bit more complicated than that, but cool. So this is a black eyeliner. The packaging is not really wowing me here. And I think that's kind of the point, but maybe I'm just too old. I'm just like, where's the flashy packaging? Like, what is this? What is this shit? New generation likes this. I'm the old generation that wants everything in gold. Okay, so this... Anyway, your new holy grail product created for both the eyeliner expert and the winged eye novice. The flexible tip combined with a highly pigmented smudge-proof color guarantees a long-lasting and intensely defined look. Okay, so this retails for $20. You know what would help if I fucking opened it correctly? Oh, no. Oh, there it goes. Okay, the brush tip feels good. It's very, very thin. Let's see if we can make it a little bit wider. Yep, you can make it wider too. Doesn't look like it's feathering out or bleeding, so that's cool. Love that. We're gonna give it a minute, see if it dries down. If it doesn't dry down, then we know this is garbage, but we're gonna be hopeful. We're gonna be hopeful with this. So come back to this in a second. And then last but certainly not least, we have this new brand, which again, it's new to BoxyCharm. It's called Endota Organics, and this is a hydrating lip balm. Listen, I can't have enough hydrating lip balms in my life, so I'm excited for this one. Ooh, this is interesting. Oh, it's one of these dealios. Okay. Oh god, that scared the shit out of me. Ew. Oh. Okay, so what first came out was like a little bit of a pre-cum stitch. I didn't like that one, but now it's starting to come out a little bit. So let's see. I don't like it. Oh, this is weird. I don't know. It's weird because it kind of feels hard, but then when you start kind of putting it on the lips, it kind of feels like it goes back into the hole. I feel like that's so disgusting. But do you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Have you ever been in that situation? Think about it, all right? Like, you're just like, oh, it went back into the hole. I don't know if I like it. But it's kind of oily and kind of minty all at the same time. Okay, so let's read a little bit about this. By the way, this is $25. This is $25. This little thing that shot out pre-cum at me, $25, okay? Protect your pout with a natural organic lip balm that's packed with super hydrating ingredients. With a gorgeous glossy finish, this hydrating lip balm will soothe cracked or chapped lips and protect skin from dryness. Cocoa butter, calendula, and vitamin E assist in visibly reviving delicate lips to keep them looking healthy and feeling luscious. surface, while cooling peppermint, oh, that's what it is. Cooling peppermint oil provides a hint of freshness. This versatile balm can also be used to help restore moisture in cuticles and areas that regularly experience dryness. I don't think this is going to be winning any awards. Not what I thought it was going to be. All right, so let's try this. Oh. 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 Okay. Okay. All right. I don't know if this is making it better or worse. It's a little bit of both, I feel like. A little bit of both. Okay. I'm gonna say no to the eyeliner. We're just gonna say no to the eyeliner. Oh, okay. And we're just gonna keep on keeping on, all right? But this is what we got in this BoxyCharm. You know, for 40 bucks, I ain't mad at it. Just because I really wanted to buy this, and this was like 54 bucks. And so technically, even with the 20% off, like, yeah, I think I would have paid a little bit less, but kind of not mad about this Natasha Denona Cheek Duo. Not mad about this cleanser. Not mad about this exfoliator, even though I am going to be gifting it off to my friend. The body oil wasn't offensive. I could fuck with that. These are the two products over here. The eyeliner, the weird lip balm are the ones that I feel like are not that great. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this. I've definitely gotten worse boxes. I've definitely got better boxes, but there are things that I can see myself using. So I'm not mad. I'm not mad. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's BoxyCharm in a nutshell. Now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you do get BoxyCharm, especially if you get premium BoxyCharm. If you did get it, let me know what you received in your box. If we got the same things, if you got something different. Also, did you get a box from this month? That's also really important. Anyway, with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, it's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really filthy, really gross, really nasty, really disgusting garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you, and I love your adorable little delicious faces. I just want to gobble you all up. If you want to know what is currently on my nails, along with where to get this fun tablecloth, everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little pancakes later. Bye.